Next we discussing about the topic is ideal cell. Ideal cell. A cell, a cell without a cell without internal resistance. Without internal resistance. Internal resistance is called ideal cell. అంటే దేనికైతే ఇంటర్నల్ రెసిస్టెన్స్ ఉండదో దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ ఐ ద ఐడియల్ సెల్. నౌ నెక్స్ట్ వి డిస్కసింగ్ అబౌట్ terminal potential difference. Potential difference or OR terminal voltage. Terminal voltage. So what is the next topic we're discussing about the terminal potential difference or terminal voltage. See here, for example, this is taken by the battery. Positive terminal and negative terminal is connected across by the resistance. That is the external resistance. Now is connected with. Now the current is always passing through the positive terminal to negative terminal. See, this is a closed loop. What is the closed circuit? Potential difference between potential difference between two terminals. How much is the two terminal potential difference between terminals? Okay, terminals of a cell. See, this is the potential difference between the terminals of a cell when it is a closed circuit. When it is a closed circuit is called what is called as a terminal voltage. What is called as a terminal voltage? It is denoted by the letter is the V. Which letter is denoted by the V is the denoted by the. The next we discussing about in a relation between. So relation between EMF. EMF is nothing but electromotive force. E denoted by that is and terminal voltage. See, this is the way discussing by that. What is the next topic is the relation between EMF, electromotive force, and terminal voltage. See here again, let us consider battery. Positive terminal and negative terminal is connected across of a external resistance. Now is connected by this is the R is the external resistance. Now the current is always passing through the positive terminal to negative terminal. Now the battery having the internal resistance, it is given by the small r. That is the offered by the resistance offered by between the cathode and anode is nothing but is called the internal resistance. That internal resistance having the small r. Now this will be how the closed circuit. Then we can have a battery of EMF. Now get a battery of EMF is E. How much is the battery of EMF is the E and internal resistance small r. Internal resistance how much is it? Small r is connected across a conductor having external resistance. Having a external resistance is capital R. See, that means a battery of EMF E and its internal resistance small r is connected across it by the external resistance is the capital R. Then the current flows. Then current 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 flows through a cell. Current flows through a cell. Now here the formula is that the current I is equal total EMF by total resistance C. What is the formula here? The total EMF by total resistance C. Here the current I is equal, what is the formula? Total EMI by total resistance. Then we can write here the I is equal total EMF in circuit. See the how many batteries are there? Only one cell. The cell is nothing but a battery. What is the EMF is there? E. Then we can write the E by total resistance. Here external resistance and internal resistance. We can have the small r plus capital R. Small r plus capital R. Then we can find out the potential difference in a. Take this is the cross multiplication. I into small r plus capital R is equal to E. Then that multiply here the I into R plus I into capital R is equal to E. I into R is equal to capital. So this is small r, sorry. I into small r plus I into capital R is equal to E. Then we can write this I into R is taken this side. That's I into R is equal to E minus small I into R. From Ohm's law. What is the formula? V is equal to I into R. From Ohm's law, V is equal to I into R. Then we can substitute the V is equal to E minus I into R. See, this is the formula of A. What is the formula? See the relation between EMF and terminal voltage. What is the formula? V is equal to E minus I into R. E is equal to EMF of a battery. Okay. Small r is equal to internal resistance and V is equal to potential difference. E is equal to potential difference. I is equal to current. This is the relation between the EMF and terminal voltage. V is equal to E minus IR.